Same location with the 64 Trane. Here is a Linux. It's got 4 blades, like the 64 Trane they filmed. It was manufactured in 2015. And should we go look for more air conditioners? Okay. And then, also, you might remember these other air conditioners right there. There's the old Trane. Yeah. They put a Trane here. They probably don't care about their air conditioner. They put something there. Okay. Manufactured in 1961. The serial number says 61, so maybe 1961 I'll say. You know, sometimes I might not be right with my years. Lines are obviously still connected. Let's see. Yep, still on. And this Linux, I mean, it could have replaced another of these Tranes. And also, this is before Trane acquired GE. They acquired GE in 1982. Yeah, old Trane air conditioner. And in 1982, Trane acquired GE. They for a couple years they didn't make Trane. They just made GE executive units. Got some sticks out there. Also, since I'm TN Productions, also call me the octopus of HVAC. And also, my camera work's getting better. As you can see, it's pretty steady right now. Yeah. Should we go look for more air conditioners? Yeah, this is at a place called Farfield. At one of my older videos. Yeah, Linux air conditioner. And let's try to find a tonnage. Okay. Come on. Oh, 1.5 ton? Hold on. Okay. If it's 32, I'm guessing that's a 2.5 ton. Yeah, I'll be back. We're gonna go try to find some more air conditioners. And right there is kind of like a grill where they cook steak. Yeah, I'm gonna go try to look for more air conditioners. I'll be back. Alright, finally I found my favorite air conditioner. Here's the Linux Elite Series from 2000. I never even on YouTube or in real life found the Linux from 2000. And here's the other Linux. It looks like these XC units from, wait, it's Linux Elite. Okay, try to look for, okay, 2016. This is a new one. This thing's like 3 years old. And I mean, it's pretty dirty. And there's the Linux logo. McQuay commercial unit. That's a Daikin. And there's a little Panasonic air conditioner. Yeah, I mean, this is so cool. More air conditioners at Farfield. Yeah, same location. I promise. Same location with the Trane. Well, let's try to find some more air conditioners if there are. Nope, but I'm glad I found my favorite air conditioner. Yeah. Should we go back to the Trane? Yeah. I'm doing a lot of videos on it, and this is a. Open it, shut off. Oh, sweet, we can get a amount of blades. Okay, come on. 1, 2. Okay, that's got 3 blades. Yeah, Daikin McQuay. I mean, this is really cool, but I mean, why does the insulation on the Linux have to be so big? Okay, from June of 2008. That's when I was born. June of 2008. Yeah, nice Linux air conditioner. I mean, I was mostly concerned I'd never find one at a commercial property. Yeah, Linux logo. That if you want me to decipher anything else, I didn't decipher. Here's the data, and it's so confusing why Linux has 58 in the beginning of the serial number. I mean, you know, there's not a 50th week. There's a 52nd week, though. And it's a... Come on. Okay. 5 ton. Yeah, I mean... Yeah. So, Lennox, Daikin, and Panasonic. I mean, Lennox, Panasonic, Daikin, and Trane air conditioners. Yeah. Panasonic inverter, Daikin McQuay from 2008 Daikin McQuay, 2000 Lennox Elite air conditioner, and 2016 Lennox Elite. And also, yeah, there's the Lennox I just filmed in my first part from 2015. And then, yeah. I mean, this is like air conditioner heaven. I mean, I didn't know they had a lot of air conditioners. I wasn't expecting this much air conditioners. I mean, this is like, yeah. So yeah, the 1961 Trane air conditioner, not 1964, not 1964. Yeah, Lennox. Yeah, the Lennox is a, come on, okay, 2 ton, yeah. And there are all the air conditioners I found, including a 2000 Lennox. This has been a TanFan production. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.